Greetings. Today I wanted to talk about free fridges and how I got them and why I needed them. Also, I wanted to talk about harvesting containers for my greens, why I needed them, how I got them. So, I have this fridge and deep chest for storage, but now I've outgrown those. So, this fridge, woman and her husband needed taken out of their basement. So, my buddy who has a moving company got paid to take it out of their basement, and then he gave it to me for free. So I'd let him know that I was looking for a fridge. And this one I found for free on the side of the road. The freezer doesn't work so well, but the fridge does. So I got the extension cord, and goes to the handy dandy outlet right there. So with that, I've now doubled, if not tripled, my produce storing capabilities. But now that I've done that, needed to get some buckets, and I've also found those for free, even that trash can. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and like 7 containers that I have all found for free on the side of the road. So basically what I wanted to make out of this video is that there is a unlimited supply of resources in the world or in the country, and you just have to seek out locally or regionally to find what you're looking for. And a lot of the times it's probably better to buy new if you want it to last multiple years. But if you're in a pinch and you can't find new, then reused, free, side of the road, gonna end up in the landfill anyway, is a nice plan B. So one love, wholeness. That's the 8 o'clock bell. Time to go start the day. See you on the next one.